Samsung keyboard. Everyone seems to write it off as a keyboard in general, but I'm here to tell you why you should use it. Daniel here from SamMobile.com, and since Galaxy I has come out, Samsung's keyboard has gone from here to here, and I realize you probably can't even see where it's gone. Alright, Samsung keyboard and Galaxy AI is a pretty powerful combination. Samsung keyboard on its own is already very good, but adding Galaxy AI into the mix, you get far more capability. What I'm going to show you is the 3 ways you can use Samsung keyboard with Galaxy AI. Starting first with the translation. Now there's a couple of different ways the translation works. First, let's dive into the settings and sort of see what apps you can sort of activate for it, and then the language situation that you can activate as well. In the keyboard settings, you go into Chat Assist, and this is where all the sort of features and functions for the AI sort of lie. With chat translation, once you activate it, you'll see the different functions down below. The one I really like is the languages to show. So you can actually show the original and translated text or just the translated text. Again, similar to the live call assist, this kind of reduces any confusion and also clutter, makes the messages a bit easier to read because you're just getting the languages in your native speaking coming back to you. What you've also got is the option to manage the apps, and as you can see, there's quite a number of apps that this is supporting. Instagram, for one, I found quite interesting, and I like that that's there. But also WhatsApp, being the main communication tool for most of the world, it's really good that this is here. And of course, you've got the language packs that you can download for here too. And again, that's very important as this is like an offline service. Once you're ready to start conversing in the translation, you can hit the Galaxy AI button and hit chat translation. It will then bring up the language that it's translating from and the language that it's translating to. And then what will happen is when you start typing and you hit send, it will then automatically sort of recalibrate that and send the translated text to the other person, which is great. Like I said in the settings, you can send the original and translated or just the translated, depending on how you want the interaction to go. And if you get a message back, it's going to translate it into your language as well. It's a very clever feature and one that makes conversing with other people in other languages so much easier. The next one in here is chat styles. Now this one might not get as much use as the translation, but it's every bit as clever because this doesn't require certain apps to be used. This is just a Samsung keyboard function in general. When you type out a message, whether it be asking someone for dinner, for example, when you press the AI button and you hit chat styles, what this will do is generate different versions of the same thing you're talking about. So for example, asking someone for dinner in this way, it's going to give you different ways you can do that. Polite, casual, professional, and you have the choice of which ones you want to show as well. When you find the one you like, you just hit insert and it literally replaces the thing that you've made with the one that you've chosen. I love this one for the right situation because if you aren't in the right headspace to write a message out, you have this to fall back on to generate stuff for you. And the last one in here is spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar is quite cool. Again, it just comes down to you writing out a long message. You're too lazy to go back and fix it all. Hit spelling and grammar, and using AI, it will automatically correct everything for you. And again, like chat styles, you hit replace, and it replaces the entire message with the correct stuff. Genius. And I think for maybe sending out Twitter posts, or whether you're sending a message to someone, this is probably a really good way of correcting yourself before you've made the mistake. Just try it. And that is the AI that comes with Samsung keyboard. It's very clever. Let me know if you're using any of these right now, because it does come with One UI 6.1 on all of Samsung's this year and last year devices, which is great. Flagship ones, I should say. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you go check out our other AI videos that we've got here on the channel. You can also check this out on our website. Got plenty of stuff about AI on there too. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. If you've liked the look of Galaxy AI and you want to try it for yourself, check the link out in the description to grab your Samsung device with Galaxy AI today.